Okay, this is our project. Our project title is Smart Air Conditioner. We will use three sensors. One is the temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and motion sensor. And we will use the fan to simulate the air conditioner. If the temperature is higher than our setting value, and the motion sensor will sense some people there, the fan will turn on. So now we will show for everyone. The motion sensor is not sense anyone. So here we'll show nobody, and the fan will stop because the temperature is higher than the setting point. But the fan is not turned on because the motion sensor is sense nobody, so the fan will not turn on. And if the temperature is higher than our setting value, the fan still not turn on. But if our motion sensor sense some people here, it will show present, and the temperature is lower than our setting value. So I change the setting value, become lower. So the fan will turn on. So if our motion sensor senses people here and the temperature is higher than setting value, the fan will turn on to simulate the air conditioner is turn on. Okay.